morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. May I know your good name?
Malati, sir.
Yeah, Malati, can I have your resume?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Malati, quickly introduce yourself.
My name is Malati and I am from Kodada, Surapeta district in Telangana. I
Okay.
completed graduation in 2022 from EEE stream in Kodada itself, and I am good at Python, HTML, CSS and manual testing itself. And my hobbies are listening music and playing chess and reading books. This is about me, sir.
Yeah, okay, that's cool introduction. And so you are trained in manual testing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, tell me what is testing?
Testing means the comparison between actual and expectations.
Yeah, okay. So what is the conclusion of this testing?
To deliver a not defected product or nothing but not failure product
Yeah, okay.
or quality product.
Yes, fine. So you said that yeah, what is the quality?
Quality means it is the reaching of the expectations to the actual. Expectations means when the before the completion of the deployment or project,
Yeah, okay.
the client requirements belongs to the requirements, nothing but expectations. After the completion of the product or project, and that is which how it works, it is called actual. Whether the product is matching actual or not. I mean expectations are matching to the actual or not is called
Okay, so how can you measure that quality?
quality mainly depends upon the four products. One is within the budget and defect free product, and within the time delivery, and
Yeah.
also expectations about the different categories.
Yeah, okay, fine. And yeah, Malti, you know the like keywords like bug, defect, error.
Yes, sir. Bug, defect, failure.
Yeah, okay. So my question is, so what is the difference between that defect and bug?
Bug means when the failure is when the failure is, when the failure is when the failure is found out by the tester. If the developer accepted the failure, then it is called bug. If not, then the defect is known as the defect. If he accepted nothing but developer accept the defect, then it is called bug.
Yeah, okay. No need to say failure. So you need to say if any mistake, if any mistake find by tester, that mistake is known as defect. Yeah, okay. So what is the difference that the bug and defect varies with the failure? So okay, I'm repeating once again. Why we are saying failure? So there is a bug and defect. Why we are not saying failure? Separately, why we are using the failure?
Failure means after the completion of the project,
Okay.
it comes to the client or customer or end users. When the product finds out any defect or bug, if the customer or end user find out that defect or bug, then it is known as failure. Otherwise, if it is find out in the development or testing stage only, then it is called defect or bug.
Yeah, okay. So now error means?
Error means that is human made mistakes when we are writing the code.
Okay.
If we do any syntax or path or then it is called the errors.
Yeah. So now you you are aware with manual or automation testing?
Manual testing.
Yeah, okay. So what about the automation?
Automation testing is I'm trying, sir. Simply just I know awareness of the automation testing.
Okay. So my question: why we are going for automation testing?
By using the tools, we can. I mean, by reducing the time and
Okay.
by and implementing the new strategies and descriptive metals type, we can do the testing. Then we implement the automation testing. Automatically, it goes to the testing.
Yes, fine. And yeah, are you know that project we have a projects and we have a product based
Product.
companies. So what is the difference between that project and product?
Project means if we develop a project or program for the single client or a single user, then it is called project.
Yeah, okay.
And next, product means if we develop any project or develop nothing but code or program for the multiple users,
Yeah, okay.
multiple users or else market users, then it is called project.
Yeah, okay, fine, that's fine, Malati. And so, how many levels of testing we required in software testing?
We generally we generally classified into 4 types, sir. We go through it 4 types.
Yeah, okay,
4
what
types
are
of
the?
test. Unit testing and unit testing and integration testing, system
Okay.
testing and user acceptance testing.
Okay, so who will do this testing? Like, is there any classifications?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are they?
These 4 are mainly divided into 2 parts, sir.
Okay.
First of all, white box and black box testing.
Yeah, okay.
First of all, unit testing and integration testing under comes to the white box testing, and also the user acceptance testing and system testing undergoes to the black box testing. And white box testing, unit testing is there, sir. It can go through the developer only. And next level, in integration level, then it is undergoes to the developer and tester also.
Yeah.
And black box testing is completely goes through the tester only.
Yeah, okay.
Tester and client also. In the user acceptance testing, client will involve in this.
Yeah, okay, so what is the difference between functional and non-functional testing?
Functional testing means whether the expectations are reaching or not, whether the client requirements are reaching or not.
Okay.
And non-functional means whether the client expectations are reaching or not.
Yeah, okay, so you said that user acceptance testing also we are doing.
Yes, sir.
So how many types of user acceptance testing we can do?
User acceptance testing, there are 2 types, sir.
Okay.
Alpha testing and beta testing.
Okay.
Alpha testing means when the client comes to the our environment, nothing but development environment and the testing environment, he checks whether the project is working or not.
Yeah, okay.
This under comes to the alpha testing. And beta testing, next one, it is completely client or end user. It performs by the client or end user in the
Okay.
market environment.
Yeah, okay, fine. And yeah, okay, so is testing is mandatory?
Yes, sir. For the defect-free product, we want everyone want a defect-free product only, no, sir.
Okay.
So that's why for the find outing the bugs and defect-free for releasing the defect-free projects, we have to do the testing, sir.
Okay, can you tell any example failure software?
Failure software.
Yeah, okay. So there is some software failures. So that's why without testing we can release into market. There is a chance for failure. Yeah, so that's why we are doing this testing. Yeah. Okay, Malati, that's fine. So my side I completed my end. You have any queries to ask?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can you give me feedback?
Yeah. So my feedback is yes. So what are the concepts you are going through? That is very, very good. And yeah, all good. And you need to like improve your skills on automation as well. Okay.
Sir.
So why? Because most of the companies they required multitaskers like who are doing manual and automation. So then opportunities will be high. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Fine, Manti. We can.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You can.